Ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court says the abortion pill, mifepristone, can remain on the market. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us at noon. I'm Rick Fulbaum.
And I'm Lana Harris. So Atlanta News First anchor Joy Lim-Nacklin joins us from the breaking news desk. Joy, this is the most commonly used method of abortion.
Yeah, it certainly has become so, Lana and Rick. And this was a unanimous decision by an often divided court on really a controversial topic. But the highest court in the land ruled that this abortion pill, mifepristone, must remain widely available, at least for now. And the ruling was essentially one based on procedural grounds. Essentially, what the court found is that the plaintiffs challenging accessibility to this pill did not actually have the legal right to do so. The dispute was brought by a group of anti-abortion rights doctors and medical associations. Conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote for the court, quote, "Federal courts are the wrong forum for addressing the plaintiffs' concerns about FDA's actions." That's notable because Kavanaugh was part of the majority to overturn the landmark Roe versus Wade ruling 2 years ago. It's also important to note that the decision does not foreclose any other challenges targeting mifepristone because, again, the ruling is based on procedural grounds. So, certainly other challenges could come. But again, for now, it means that the FDA's policies making mifepristone more widely available will remain in place for now. And that includes in states that have either banned or restricted abortions, including here in Georgia. Back to you.